This video tutorial I will explain what is AWS SNS Delivery Retry. AWS SNS Delivery Retry is a feature that ensures your messages are delivered even if the first attempt fails. If the message cannot be delivered to the subscriber due to network issue or server being down, SNS will automatically retry sending the message multiple times until it succeeds or reaches the maximum retry limit. In this diagram, you can see three participants: SNS, subscribers, and dead letter queue. How does delivery retry works? First attempt. SNS tries to deliver the message to the subscriber. If the delivery fails, SNS waits for the short time and tries again. SNS will keep retrying for a specific number of times. That is called retry limit, or until the message is successfully delivered. The time between retries increases gradually. For example, 1 second, then next retry will be 3 seconds, next retry will be 10 seconds, etc. What is retry policy? Retry policy is a set of rules that defines how SNS should retry message delivery. It has maximum retries and retry intervals. Maximum retries is nothing but the total number of times SNS will retry. Retry interval is nothing but the time gap between each retry attempt. Here you can see dead letter queue. If a message cannot be delivered even after all retries, it can be sent to dead letter queue for further analysis. Now we will see the example use case. Imagine you are sending a weather alert to subscribers email. SNS tried to send the email, but the email server is temporarily down. SNS waits for a few seconds and tries again. If the server is still down, SNS retries a few more times. If the email server comes back online, the message is delivered successfully. If all retries fails, the message is sent to the dead letter queue for the analysis. Why is delivery retry important? First point is reliability. It ensures that your messages are delivered even if there are temporary issues. Second point is no lost messages. Prevents messages from being lost due to failures. Third point is better user experience. Subscribers receive important notification without any delays. When to use delivery retry? First one is critical notifications. For important alerts that must reach the subscriber. For example, security alerts, payment reminders. Second one is unreliable networks. When subscribers on the networks that may experience temporary issues. Third one is high volume messaging. For applications sending a large number of messages where occasional failures are expected. Now we will see how to set up a delivery retry in AWS SNS. First you have to create the topic. Say topic name is weather alerts. Then you have to add the subscribers. Subscribers can be email, SMS or HTTP endpoints. Then you have to configure retry policy. You have to go to delivery retry policy section in SNS console. Then set the maximum retries. Say 3 retries. Then set the retry intervals. For example, 1 second, 3 seconds, 10 seconds. Then enable dead letter queue, which is optional. Create an SQS queue, which acts as a dead letter queue. Then link the dead letter queue to your SNS topic to capture the failed messages. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.